Hello student and welcome to the Oriental Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare veg spring rolls. To demonstrate the recipe, we have Chef Rahul and Chef Sandeep with us. The ingredients required to make veg spring roll are: for the wrapper we require refined flour, corn flour, egg, oil, salt, pepper, Ajinomoto. And for the filling, we require shredded cabbage, shredded carrot, sliced beans, sliced onions, and sliced bell pepper. We require chopped garlic, chopped ginger, soy sauce, and the seasoning. Now we'll start preparing the batter required for spring roll sheets. Firstly, you'll be taking refined flour in 75% proportion, corn flour in 25% proportion, mix it properly, add seasoning to it, salt, pepper, Ajinomoto. Now we'll add egg to it. Start mixing it gradually. Now we'll add little water to it. As required to get the consistency. Slowly, we'll mix it to a very smooth batter. A smooth and thin consistency batter is ready now. We'll proceed to make the pancake. For the pancake, we require to heat the pan and put some oil on it. Now we'll pour some batter on it. Turn it so that it forms a perfect pancake. We are going to leave it to cook for a while. Now the pancake is ready. Slowly you have to take it out and put on a plate and dust it with corn flour so that it doesn't stick. Now we'll start preparing the filling for the spring roll. For that we need to heat the wok, add oil to it, then add chopped garlic to it, chopped ginger to it, saute it well until you get the aroma of ginger and garlic. Now we'll add cabbage shredded, Now we'll add shredded carrot to it. Saute. We'll add onion slice, capsicum and beans. This method is called as stir fry. Now in order to give flavor and aroma, we will add soya sauce and smoke it. This gives a very good aroma to the filling. Then we'll add salt, pepper, Ajinomoto. Stir fry it. Until the vegetables get slightly cooked and are still crunchy. The filling is ready now for the stuffing. Now we'll start the filling of spring roll stuffing into the spring rolls. Once you place the filling, you have to start folding from the edges, then from the bottom, apply flour paste to seal the spring rolls so that they don't break open while frying. Now you start rolling it from the bottom. When you are rolling it, you need to pay attention that it is tightly rolled. Make sure the rolls are sealed properly without any cracks or breakages. Now we'll just put the rolls in a hot oil for frying. It is very important that the oil should be hot, otherwise your roll will break open. Now on the slow flame, you have to fry until the roll is fried till golden brown. The spring roll, once it becomes golden brown, you have to take it out and put it in a colander. Now for the finishing and serving of spring roll, you need to cut it slantwise and place it on the presentation plate. Served it with Szechuan sauce. Students, the mouth-watering spring rolls are ready for consuming. Hope you enjoyed the video and you are going to try at your home. and serve it to your parents.